Hello and welcome to T-Rex Math. Today you have just finished taking the partner quiz and you made your corrections. So now we're going to go ahead and reflect using the study plan that you see on the screen here and see where you need to improve and where you need enrichment. So if we look at the partner quiz, you'll want to have that out, and we think about question number 1. About Simone and Ashley and Ryan's one-eyed character, number 1A. Number 1A goes with this learning target of using informal methods, scale factors, and tools to construct similar figures. So number 1A, you want to think about in 1A, did you feel like you needed extra help? Do you feel like you're working on this? Or you've mastered it and you can help teach others? From here, let's go ahead and look at number 1B, where it asked you if Simone and Ryan's characters are similar. So 1B. 1B would go along with identifying similar figures by comparing corresponding sides and angles. So if you look at 1B and how you did, go ahead and rate yourself in one of those 3 columns. And then go on to 1C. And 1C goes along with the learning target of recognizing the role multiplication plays in similarity relationships. So this goes along with 1C. And again, rate where you fall. Which of those 3 columns do you feel you're at with number 1C? Going on to the second side of the partner quiz, number 2. Number 2, if you look at it carefully, it's very similar to what you did in number 1B with number 1B. So actually, number 2 also goes with this first learning target, identifying similar figures. So go ahead and rate for number 2 on your partner quiz which of those 3 columns you felt you were in. And finally, if you go to the second page of your study plan and you look at how you did in number 3 with Megan wanting to make a new video game character, in number 3A, it's asking you really to distinguish algebraic rules that produce similar figures from those that produce non-similar figures. So in number 3A, you have to be able to figure out how to make mug into slug. So this is 3A. And then again, checking off one of the 3 areas for 3A. And 3B goes along with exploring the effect on the image of a figure if a number is added to the x or y coordinate. So in number 3B, you actually had to add to the y coordinate because you wanted the figure to move upward and the y-axis is vertical. So again, which of these 3 areas? And finally, 3C, where is slug similar to mug? 3C goes back to comparing. So you're going to need to compare similar figures with non-similar figures. So that would be 3C. And again, rate yourself in one of the 3 areas. So at any point in time, if you need to go back and listen to this video again to help you figure out where you're at, please come back and watch or pause it as needed. And I hope this helps you understand where you are in your learning.